I have something to share with you today. It's more like a progress analysis of our daily series. If you have been watching our videos daily, you might have noticed that from 6th of this month, we have started uploading individual zodiac signs instead of compiling them all in one. By doing so, we have been able to reach and provide value to 4 times more people than we used to reach in a single compilation of all the readings. So I just wanted to share a few analytics with you today. While considering the data for both 6th and 7th of August combined, we see that the Cosmic Tarot Express series is getting an average of 450 plus views every day and roughly about 45 likes on an average per day. While that's an achievement in itself for a new channel like ours, of course it is a reason to celebrate. But at the same time, our channel analytics show that most of you who are watching our videos daily haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you like watching our content and haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. It really motivates us to continue making more of such empowering and inspiring content for you. Now, before we start today's readings, like always, keep in mind that these are timeless readings. So regardless of the day or date that a particular reading might have been posted on our channel, if you feel called upon it or if you are being guided towards it, go ahead and check the message, as you might find a great message for you for the day ahead. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check any video that you come across on our channel anytime. Our Instagram handle is reflecting on your screens. If you're not all following us already, go ahead and click the link in the description and follow us right away. If you wish to watch the readings for any other zodiac sign, you will find all the links in the description below. Alright then, I'll see you in the reading. Welcome Aries. I have a bonus Archangel guidance card for you. This will be Archangel blessing card. So that will be in the end of the reading. Let's jump into your energies. You are handling your finances very gracefully. You are being able to make wonderful choices for your finances. You are making some progressive choices for your, especially your finances and otherwise your stability on the whole. And you actually you're being guided just to trust your own judgment in this. Whatever, for some of you, I'm hearing that you would want to make some investments. Maybe throughout the day, you are in that kind of mindset. You are planning for some investments or long-term investments, or you might be thinking of investing into some kind of project or a business. Or it can be, I'm hearing for some of you, it can be investing your time also. Time is money, as we say. So if in case your profession requires more of time, or you are in that service industry wherein it's not product based and it is entirely totally dependent on time, on your time and your services. So I'm also seeing that you might just want to rely upon your own judgment for this. Okay, I'm seeing a young person in the family or in friends or in your colleagues you can trust upon. Okay, they might have wonderful ideas for you throughout the day. You might find some things that might actually help you. They might have something to offer you. They might want to actually share some things with you. They might want to come. They are full of ideas. They are very loveful. So you can just judge that person and just rely upon your own judgment, as I said. Okay, let's jump into your special Archangel blessing that I said in the beginning. These will be Archangel blessings of the day. You are taking some financial decisions, probably a career decision or any such sort of stability decision that you might be taking. If you are on that verge of taking a decision, take your time making this decision. This is what Archangel Michael wants you to understand. I'll just read out this card for you. Archangel Michael, please help me stay strong and relaxed as I approach this situation. Remind me to detach and step back, allowing the situation to naturally unfold. Thank you for protecting me. So this can be a wonderful affirmation for you throughout the day, Aries. I wish you all the best and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. you.